TikTok recipe of feta tomato pasta. So I've got a block of feta cheese. I'm going to use some rosemary, some basil, some oregano, some salt and pepper. I've got two or three cloves of garlic over here that I'm going to crush, the grape tomatoes, and then I'm going to use palmini pasta for the pasta to make it keto, olive oil, and I'm going to add some pork sausage to mine. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started. First thing you do is put your grape tomatoes in the bottom of your pan and unwrap your feta. All right, now we're going to season the tomatoes and drizzle them with olive oil, salt, pepper, all to taste, guys, whatever your taste amount is, probably about a teaspoon. Oregano, oops, basil. You can use fresh basil if you have it. Works really well, but I'm using freeze-dried basil. I'm gonna put a lot because I like basil. And then this is rosemary. All right, now I'm gonna drizzle with olive oil and add the garlic. Now I'm gonna mix all this together and put the feta in. Making a little spot for the feta in the middle and put the entire block right here. Now I'm gonna drizzle it with olive oil and put some more of the seasonings on top. So the same ones I used. Now drizzle with olive oil. Now we're going to put this in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes until this is melted and these are all cooked, and you're going to mix it all together. While that's cooking in the oven, go ahead and cook your sausage and then set it aside. When you take it out, it's going to look like this, and then you're going to stir it all together. Now we're going to stir it together really good. We're going to get this all mixed together. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add my sausage in. That looks so good, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna prepare our pasta. I'm gonna do the palmini pasta for us, and the kids are wanting macaroni and cheese, so they're just gonna have this with their macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all, just leave this aside and get my palmini pasta ready. All right, now I'm gonna serve it up. I'm just gonna put the palmini pasta that I put in the chef chamois butter, garlic butter, in a bowl, and then put that on top of it and mix it up. All right, that's it, guys. You just mix it together, and you can top it with parmesan cheese as well if you wanted to. And that is it. Super simple, yummy dinner.